my sweet angels. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have two bags that I wanted to discuss with you guys. One, the first being the Steve Madden Britta. So if that's something that you're interested in, come on aboard the channel. You might as well join, hit like and subscribe. Let's get started. Let's jump right in. So without any further ado, let's get this baby on the screen. So this lovely bag right here, you guys, I wanted to discuss this bag with you guys. So recently I added this bag to my collection, and I know I've been adding a lot of bags to my collection lately, but the price, the cost of this one is such an affordable option. It's such an affordable option. I couldn't pass it up. So I wanted to talk to you girls about this lovely beauty, because if there's anybody out there interested in this bag, I would definitely say go ahead and add it to your collection. So she is the Steve Madden Britta. One of the reasons why I wanted to add her to my collection was, at first, when I ran across this beauty, sometimes I seek out the bags that I want to add to my collections, and sometimes if a bag falls in your lap and I'm out browsing, I go to the mall and the store pretty regularly, and I'm out browsing, then if I run across something, why not add it to your collection, especially if the price is right. So comparatively to, we all know the YSL bag is similar, and there's other bags out there that are similar, puffer bags and different things. Now, this particular bag, I decided to add it to my collection. One reason being is that I have a lot of Kurt Geigers, and Kurt Geiger bags, some of them, you know that the Kurt Geiger bags, the leather on the Kurt Geiger bags are so soft, and it's very reminiscent of a Kurt Geiger Kensington, you know, the extra large or the extra large. So I decided to go ahead and pick up this beauty because it's very reminiscent, to me at least, to the Kurt Geiger Kensington. And the Kurt Geiger Kensington is real leather. Now, Steve Madden, this particular baby right here, is not real leather. But girls, when I tell you, I put this next to my Kurt Geiger bag, next to my Chanel bags, this bag, whatever type of material they use for the simulated leather, there's really not that much of a difference. And I'm even gonna bring a bag on camera or two to compare so that you girls will see. I know you can't see, touch, or you can't feel through the camera, but I'm just gonna have to let you know, like I said, feeling this bag and feeling the real leather. Matter of fact, here's my Kensington. Here's my lovely Kurt Geiger Kensington, and she is in real all leather. And looks wise as well as feeling, you cannot tell the difference. I mean, even just looking at this bag, I hope you could see both on camera. Even just looking at this bag, you know, I don't really see or feel a difference in the bag that is real leather versus the one that is simulated leather. So when I ran into the Steve Madden Britta right here, I had to go ahead and pick it up because I was like, I felt it in the store as well as looking at it. It's quality made. Another thing that I like about the Steve Madden Britta, this one right here. Now, this bag came in many different colors. If you look at Steve Madden online, you'll see she came in lovely fuchsia. She came in so many different lovely colors. The black on black, I'm a lover of black on black. I love the Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Loves in the black quilted leather and the black hardware. And this bag also has the black hardware. It's black on black. Now I'm carrying it, I'm holding it like this because I just wanted to show you one option. I wanted to show one option of a way you could carry this, like a top handle. So, you know, you could use it elongated with a long shoulder strap, extending the strap, or you can wear it top handle like this. So this is a great way to shorten the strap on a big bag like this if you don't want to wear it crossbody, you just want to hold it as a top handle. But this is what she looks like inside. She comes with one puff, and I still have her stuffed, but she comes with one snap right there, and I still have her stuffed, but she's beautiful. Look at her lovely black on black chain. And I'll come back later on. You guys know I'm gonna come back. Every day we put out content on this channel, and I just wanted to show you all what she looks like. So this is with the chain elongated, and look at the black on black hardware. Now, with my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love bags, I love the Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Loves in different colors with the different color hardware. The Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Loves have the gold hardware, the silver hardware, the gunmetal hardware, smoky type gunmetal hardware. with my black on black Rebecca Minkoff, I did experience some chipping when it's black on black like this to make it, you know, it's an overlay of something they put over the silver or over the color of the metal. I don't know the inner workings of how they do it, but the Rebecca Minkoff bag did experience some chipping to the hardware. Nonetheless, those are some bad bags, and I love them in my collection. This one right here, it's, you know, it's Steve Madden. I love Steve Madden. Steve Madden is a quality contemporary bag line or company that does bags, shoes, everything. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you girls the shoes that I'm gonna wear with this bag that are Steve Madden. But still, we might experience a little bit of chipping and wear with time to the hardware as time goes on. Nonetheless, that's not going to take away from this beauty. Also, you guys, I wanted you to go over and check out Andrea from AK Bags. She did a very good bag video on the Steve Madden Britta as well, and she has that on her channel. I'm going to go ahead and link AK Bags video down below so you guys can go over there and show her some love and check out that video as well, because it's a very good video on this lovely bag as well. We're twinning with this lovely bag. So yeah, you can't leave a big beauty like this when you locate her in the store. Look at all that puffing and quilting. It's so nice. And like I said, and I'm always coming back. We'll be back to do some more comparison of the two size wise, but that's what they look like next to each other. I might not be on frame. That's what they look like next to each other. Both beautiful bags. One in the $200 price range and one in the $100 price range. You can't go wrong with $200 and $100, especially with authentic Chanel being the prices that it is right now. I love my Chanel bags, but you can't always rock Chanel. You're gonna need some contemporary bags in your handbag collection, and these are just as quality. They're just as nice. I absolutely love this bag. I'm gonna come back and show you girls what all she can carry. She doesn't have feet. The Kurt Geiger Kensington one doesn't have feet either. But both lovely bags. Let's see if we can look at those together. Both lovely bags. So these are the Steve Madden shoes that I'm going to be wearing this lovely bag with, and I love these in my collection, and the studs just look so nice. I figured this would look really cute to rock and to wear with this Steve Madden Britta bag. So that's what these look like, and the weather's going to be changing pretty soon. So for right now, I'll probably go ahead and rock this bag with these. It's going to be a lovely handbag to wear with boots, with your black boots and your leather jacket. So today I just wanted to talk about this lovely bag in my handbag collection. I hope you lovely ladies had fun here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos on Steve Madden. I've been really into Steve Madden as of lately. After finding this bag, I was able to go ahead and locate a couple others. So stay tuned for those videos. I'll be back for some more Steve Madden bag reveals and unboxings. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Okay.